Now I am requesting the first whistleblower, Dr. Rai, Dr. Anand Rai.
आदरणीय मंच और कैप्टन अजय मुस्रान के पवित्र मंच से आज मुझे बोलने का मौका मिला। आदरणीय पत्रकार और गणमान्य अतिथि, बहुत छोटे से गांव से मेरी यात्रा शुरू हुई और बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं इंदौर तक पहुंचा। मेडिकल की तैयारी के दौरान बहुत संघर्ष किया। करीब 4 प्रयास में मेरा पीएमटी में चयन। बचपन से ऐसा लग रहा था कि जब मैं शुरू से मेरिटोरियस हूँ, 5th, 8th, 10th, 12th मेरिट में आया। मुझे लगा कि ऐसा क्या है कि मैं पीएमटी फेस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, मतलब पीएमटी में मेरा सिलेक्शन क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है। और करीब मान के चलिए आप 2005 में आके मुझे पता चला कि किस तरीके से ये रैकेट पूरे मध्य प्रदेश में फैला हुआ है। 2005 में जो लोग मेरिट में थे, एमडी एमएस एंट्रेंस में 10 के 10 फर्जी थे। एसटीएफ को मैंने शिकायत की, आज तक एक भी उनमें से अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ। 2009 में मुझे जब जानकारी लगी कि पीएमटी का पेपर लीक है, मैंने उसकी जानकारी इंदौर क्राइम ब्रांच को दी और केस दर्ज हुआ। लेकिन वो केस दर्ज किया गया कि एक गैस पेपर पकड़ाया गया, उस केस को डाइल्यूट कर दिया गया। मैंने हिम्मत नहीं हारी। 15 जुलाई 2009 को मैंने दोबारा कंप्लेंट की कि किस तरीके से यूपी, बिहार, राजस्थान के छात्र आते हैं और इम्पर्सनेशन के थ्रू लोग सेलेक्ट होते हैं। 2010 में कई आरटीआई लगाई पता करने के लिए कि जो कमेटी गठित की मेरी शिकायत पर, उसने कितने लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई किया। लेकिन पता चला कि शिवराज सरकार ने उसमें न तो कोई रुचि ली, नहीं उनका कोई रुचि लेने का इरादा था, क्योंकि वो पहले ही भाप चुके थे कि इसके माध्यम से कोई बड़ा घोटाला उजागर हो सकता है।
Now I am inviting our President, Mr. Vivek Tankha, to felicitate Dr. Rai. Please come here, Dr. Rai, and say a few words in honor of him. Please come. Anand, tum idhar aao. I know he's become very emotional. I understand his emotion. Please come. It's very difficult to fight the corruption in this country. For giving the golden trophy to this young doctor, I'm requesting Indra Jay Singh. Indra Jay Singh, who's again a symbol of fight against the corruption. Indra, please come from this side. Give a big clap to Indra Jay Singh. She also has been fighting and standing with us, the crusaders like Dr. Anand Rai. On behalf of Madhya Pradesh Foundation, we are trying to give a very small trophy symbolizing, and just show it. We honor the courage of Dr. Anand Rai. Madhya Pradesh Foundation honors the courage of Anand Rai. Now I'm requesting Mr. Vivek Tankha, President, to say a few words about Anand.
I should have said that before he started, but let me do it now. Anand is fighting this battle even though he's a government servant. He knows every day that there is a move to that he's sacked. His wife is a government servant. To teach him a lesson, his wife, who delivered a child, wanted that leave which is granted to women after childbirth. She applied for that. She's not granted that leave. She's put under suspension. And Anand had to go to the court recently, this is 3 months back, 4 months back, to try and get her reinstated in service because his wife is under suspension. And last 2 days we know all kinds of files are moving in the government to see that he's properly taken care of. But I told Anand, don't worry. God is with you and your friends are with you. The next brave heart is Ashish. Ashish is a young boy from Gwalior. His father is a teacher from very humble background. He saw the wrong that was taking place in these exams. He decided to fight. He doesn't have a job. Nobody is prepared to employ him. I told him, I said, Ashish, wait for some time, we'll get you a job. And he wants a simple job, he doesn't want anything big. And since now 3 years, कब से आशीष लड़ाई लड़ रहे हो? 6 years. For the last 6 years, he's fighting this battle on a cycle. Even at times, he doesn't have the money to charge his mobile phone. Now, this is how these whistleblowers are fighting this battle. That is why I decided we have to honor them, nobody else.